In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a vignette effect to your images using Gimp, a powerful open source image editing software that you can use to enhance your photos with professional touches while keeping everything free of charge. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to apply a vignette to your pictures, giving them that subtle artistic fade around the edges that draws the viewer's eye right to the center of the image. Let's dive right in. First, you'll need to have Gimp installed on your computer. You can download it from their official website if you haven't already. Once Gimp is open, go ahead and load up the image you want to work with. If you're new to this software, simply go to File in the upper left corner, click on Open, and navigate to your image file. Now that you have your image ready in Gimp, let's proceed to add a vignette effect. The Vignette tool is found within the Filters menu, so take a look at the top menu bar and click on Filters. Once you're there, a drop-down menu appears where you can hover over Light and Shadow, which opens further options. From this menu, you'll want to select the Vignette option. This is where the magic happens. Upon clicking Vignette, a new dialog box opens, giving you a variety of settings to adjust your vignette effect. This is where you can tailor the effect to perfectly suit your image. The key sliders you will want to experiment with include radius and softness. The radius controls how far the vignette reaches into the photo from the edge, while the softness dictates the gradient between the edges and the center. A larger radius and higher softness value will create a gentle, subtle vignette. Conversely, tighter settings will render a more defined effect, which works well if you're aiming for a more dramatic look. It's a good idea to try out different settings and see how they affect the mood of your image. You'll also notice an aspect ratio option that allows you to keep the ovalness of the vignette proportional to your image, which can be particularly useful for portrait or landscape images. Play around with these settings, viewing live updates to your photo to find the optimal balance for your creative vision. Please ensure to click OK once you're satisfied with the results, applying the vignette effect and updating your image. And just like that, you've added a professional-looking vignette to your photo using Gimp. Adding this effect can greatly enhance the focus and mood of your images, drawing attention to the subject at the center and giving your photos an elegant, polished look. Remember to save your edited image by going to File and clicking Save As to ensure your beautiful work is safely stored. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed learning this simple yet effective technique. Feel free to explore more of Gimp's wonderful features to further refine your skills. Until next time, happy editing!